Touch is something that HP has been doing since, for 30 years now. Actually, the HP 150 came out more than 30 years ago. And at that time, it was just basically reach up to the screen and press something on the screen to be able to duplicate a function key. And now what we're seeing is the technology has evolved such that touch is a very natural way to use a computer and use different technology. And so what we have today is we have notebooks, desktops, and even displays that have touch built into them. And we're putting together the resources from the hardware and the software and the systems integration to be able to build out an entire touch suite, and it's a real stronghold for HP.
Now, obviously, Windows 7 is coming out, and that can't have anything to do with what you're doing here, right? But what kind of real applications do you see users using or creating in the near future? Because right now, one of the frustrating things is you get a nice multi-touch computer, and all you can do is play with some fish in a pond or play a couple video games. What real applications do you see your customers using?
Well, I think you're going to see a variety of applications. You're going to see some brand new applications from us. We've totally written our TouchSmart Life Center interface, and we actually now have third parties like Twitter, Hulu, Netflix coming in and being integrated into that environment. And all of a sudden now I'm doing everything from browsing my music collection to browsing videos to being able to, go out and listen to internet radio. And what we also see now that Microsoft has kind of taken the touch plumbing, we can concentrate on doing more interesting stuff above the plumbing out of the OS. And so we see it as an application base to be able to build out a lot around entertainment on the consumer side, and on the commercial side, it's everything from small bakeries to virtual bartenders to, replacing the little lady in the information booth that sort of says, where's the Gap located? So digital signage and stuff, those type of applications. And so when 7 starts to provide the platform that we see that we'll get a whole community of people that will come out, and touch will be less a gimmick and more actually useful to people.